Hello members, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be taking you through the first 20 elements in the periodic table. These elements are the basic ones for you to first understand when you are introduced to chemistry. You know, chemistry is a broad subject whereby it is even broken down into organic, inorganic and physical chemistry. Now for you, for the first time to attempt chemistry, you first need to know these 20 elements. These 20 elements are the ones that you derive from to go to the other elements. The periodic table is comprised of 118 elements, but we will first discuss about these 20 elements. These ones are not hard. They are easy to understand, but I have given them to you in their correct order. I have given them to you in their correct order. This order you are seeing is from 1 to 20. From 1 to 20 is their increasing atomic number. They are increasing. What do I mean by atomic number? Atomic number is the number of protons present in the atom. What atoms are we dealing with? We are dealing with hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium and calcium. These are the first 20 elements. You need to know them. You need to understand them for real, because you are going to use them in our next videos, whereby I will be teaching you how to write a chemical formula, how to predict the products. Mainly here there will be in chemical equations. You will see them. Now away from here, now these are the first 20 elements. You begin with hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium and calcium. So those are the first. They are in their correct order, so you need to memorize them in the correct order. Now away from there, the next thing you need to know about the first 20 elements in the periodic table, you need to understand their symbols, because in chemistry we don't usually write these long words during the chemical formula or equations, unless you are dealing with word equation or word formulas. But with these symbolic equations, you need to know their symbols. Now for the first time, hydrogen, some elements may take their first letters as their symbols, while others take the letters they are derived from. For instance, like sodium or like potassium. Those elements, they tend to take the symbols where they are derived from. Now, like for instance, these science basics are from Latin and all of them. So for the hydrogen, it is simple. Its first letter, it is H. So H is its symbol. Yeah, H is its symbol. For the helium, its symbol is He. Don't write small h and small e. That is wrong, completely wrong. When you are dealing with the symbols, the first letter should be capital and the next one should be small letter. Now for lithium, it is Li. Beryllium, also the same, it is Be, beryllium. Now for boron, it is B, capital B. For carbon, it is capital C. For nitrogen, it is capital N. oxygen, it is capital O. For fluorine, it is FL. Rin, it is FL. That is fluorine. Don't make a mistake with the fluorine. Fluorine, it is FL. FL. Now for I'm sorry, it is just F. For fluorine, it is just F. For neon, it is Ne. For neon, it is Ne. Neon, it is Ne. For sodium, as I told you, sodium is one of the elements that you just don't consider the first layer, but it is derived from its Latin name is called natrium. So as you hear natrium, it is Na. Natrium. So they take the first two letters Na. So trium is removed and rewritten with the symbol. And for magnesium, it is M and G. Remember, the first letter should be capital and the other one should be small one. Now for aluminium, it is capital A and small l. That is a small l. Don't mistake it as a capital letter. It is a small letter. For the silicon, it is S and I. Now for phosphorus, it is P. Remember, it is capital. For sulfur, it is S. For chlorine, it is Cl. For argon, it is Ar. Now for potassium, potassium under its Latin name, it is called kalium. But as I told you, they take they will take only the first one. They consider the first one meaning K. So in our first video, I think this will be enough for you. At least first memorize these first 20 elements, memorize their symbols. Soon enough, I think I will be bringing you some mnemonics that can help you to understand these first 20 elements in their correct order, inshallah. So have a good day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope my video will be a grateful thank you.